Hey my friends, welcome to my channel English with Terry, training your English every day. This is a special video for Sara Galimberti. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Ciao Sara, come ti vanno le cose? And she asked for a video about ain't, what it is and how to use it. English with Terry. Ain't is informal English. Very informal English. It was more common in the 18th century, and we can still use it, but it's not really so common today. Ain't is not very common today. Modern dictionaries don't consider it to be correct, but some people use it. Who decides what is correct really? When people use it, they use it. Now, I see it a lot in movies when they're using this like dramatic moments and this stuff, and this is where I see it. Some people use it in speaking, but it's not that common. So just to be clear, ain't is am or is not, are not, has not, and have not. Yes, so any of the cases where we have am or is not, are not, has not, have not, potentially we can substitute and just use ain't. Ain't is always in the present tense as well. We won't really use it in the past. We don't use it with past tense verbs. Now, let's take an example. I am not going, contraction to I'm not going. And you can just say, I ain't going. I ain't going. We're not paying that much. We ain't paying that much. We have not got the money. We haven't got the money. We ain't got the money, right? I ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna be me. Now, we can use these sentences, and I don't really recommend you start using it. It's cool to understand, but there's a little connotation that it's, that you don't have a good education if you're using this. Just a little bit. But some of my favorite phrases are, I ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna be me. Ain't nobody got time for that, right? You should Google that. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's really kind of a joke, an internet meme. So, Sara, spero che ti sia piaciuto il mio video. I hope you like my video. Please click like and subscribe for more videos all the time. And you guys have any more questions, I'm waiting and reading and replying to those comments and making new videos. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't miss your free video course, which you can find the link in the description. The free listening strategies video course that can help you have amazing listening and fluency in your English. Thank you so much for watching. Grazie mille. I'll see you guys in the next video.